Hey everybody! I'm here today with a video tutorial on playing the trombone. I'll specifically be showing you and telling you how to buzz your lips to make sounds on the instrument. And this will be an easy tutorial for beginners, so let's get right into the video. What you'll need is a mouthpiece, and more specifically a trombone. But even if you don't have your trombone, you can still just do this with just the mouthpiece. So let's get right into the video. Now this is like probably the 50th time that I've tried to do this video. It's like the 50th take, okay? Like I'm literally at like half a century of takes. A century would be 100, this is like 50, literally. So like no matter what happens in this video, I'm gonna finish it. Now essentially, so I might mess up, but just roll with the punches, baby, let's go. Essentially, you're gonna take your mouthpiece and you wanna place it around your lips. Okay, and that's going to show you what the mouthpiece the size of the mouthpiece around your lips, okay? Now, if you want to make sounds on your trombone, do you want to make sounds on your trombone? You have to ask yourself that question right now. If the answer is yes, then you have to say, mm-hmm, okay? And when you say, mm-hmm, your lips are actually in the right position. I actually just made that up on the spot right now. I said to myself, ask the viewers, do they want to make sounds, right? And then the answer, I literally just made it up right now on the spot. The answer of, mm-hmm, yes, I want to make sounds with my trombone, mm-hmm, is how you place your lips. So go, mm-hmm, okay? Tighten up the lips a little bit, and then exhale to make a buzzing sound. Mm-hmm. That's it. Literally, that's it. Now, it differs from playing the trumpet, because with the trumpet you have to tighten your lips significantly more, like this. But with the trombone, you actually have to loosen your lips a little bit. It's more of like a something like that. Now put the mouthpiece on your lips and make that buzzing sound. And you can go higher or lower. To go lower, I'm loosening my lip grip. And to go higher, I'm tightening my lip grip. But either way, you start with mm-hmm, mm-hmm, tighten them up, and then exhale. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Now, all that you have to do is make sure your trombone is fully assembled, okay? And then you can place the mouthpiece inside of the trombone over here, okay, just like that. And then you can do the same buzzing sound in the trombone, and it should make a sound like this. Just like that. Now that's me going really low, okay? Now different lip positions are called different partials. So essentially, if I have my slider in the one position, which is all the way tucked in, I can go with the first partial, which is really low. Try that one more time. Okay, I can go a little bit higher. A little bit higher. 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 Okay, I can't go that high. But anyways, you get the idea. So just tighten and loosen your lips, and you can get different sounds. It can sound literally any way that you want to. Just listen to all the various sounds I can get just by moving my lips. Okay, so loosen and tighten your lips. And you can get various sounds. That last one wasn't the best sound, but I'm working on it. I'm still a beginner myself. But that's essentially it. That is how to buzz your lips to make sounds on the instrument for playing the trombone. A simple tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.